Everyone, it's Ross. In today's video, we're going to do a little bit of a persimmon tasting. Before I do that, I want to just have a little bit of a heart-to-heart with you guys and just say that I'm very appreciative for all of the followers that I have, all the support that I have, all the people that have been buying my fig cuttings, been buying my trees, even the single Patreon subscriber that I have now. Starting a YouTube channel was one of the best things I ever did. There's the occasional hater, there's some jealous people out there, but overall this is such an incredible journey that I've been on over the last 2 years. We've put out somewhere around 200 in a row videos. It's been over that now, so for 200 days in a row I've put out a video every single day for you guys. Really quite an accomplishment. And the reason why I'm telling you all this is because, first off, you should start your own YouTube channel. I genuinely believe that there's a lot of good that can come from such a thing. Second, I think this is another example of why having a YouTube channel has benefited me. My friend Anton, who we created a video for, or part of the video was for him, wishing him a happy birthday. If you remember, his lovely wife sent me an email saying, all this nice things about how he wanted to do. Basically, she wanted to give Anton a nice birthday present, put together a nice montage of all of his favorite YouTube personalities and kind of put them all together, wishing him a happy birthday, which I think was pretty cool. And then I said, you know what, I'm going to send you some birthday cuttings come November when I cut my trees. And in response, he sent me some persimmons, and that's what we're going to taste now. He also sent me some coffee that he roasted himself. I'm not a coffee drinker. I love tea, and we're going to talk about tea at some point on this channel because I'm growing it myself. But, my girlfriend loves coffee, and she was so ecstatic today when I gave her the coffee, the roasted coffee, that she was so excited to try it. Now me, on the other hand, I have been blown away by these persimmons. I don't know what variety these things are, and Anton, I don't think he knows what variety they are, but I think he was saying they are Hychia, but they're certainly not Hychia. Maybe they're like a Hychia type. And if I get a closer look, they get this black skin on the outside, which is a really nice sign of, these things are ripe, but also the quality of the sun that was hitting these guys throughout the season. These are really well-ripened persimmons at this point. I mean, they're really soft, beautiful skin. They held up pretty nicely in the shipment that he put them in an egg carton, which was a great idea. And here's one of them here cut open. And again, we don't know what variety this is. I have a feeling it looks to me like a Seijo type. It's more conical in shape if I get here in the light for you guys. But I don't think it's Seijo. Seijo doesn't get this dark from what I've seen. I think Seijo is more elongated. Seijo also tastes different than these. I think these may be Rojo Brillante. I don't know. There's a persimmon out there that's like a little red globe persimmon that tastes incredible, as I've heard, and it's red on the exterior, which is kind of the color of these. These are more red. But again, here is the persimmon, and I'm just blown away. One, by the generosity, but by the persimmon itself. It's just nuts. Let me take a bite of this. I've been scarfing these down. This fruit may be little compared to other persimmons, but holy hell. And I don't think it's an American persimmon. It could be a larger American type. I don't know, because this one more, to me, doesn't have more of an Asian type persimmon flavor. It sort of tastes more American, but it's like the best American I've ever had, if it is an American. It tastes a lot like dates, like a raisin. I know a lot of people in the persimmon world compare some varieties of persimmons to like a rum raisin flavor. That's what I'm picking up. And I think a lot of Americans have more of that flavor, is more of a date raisin, rum raisin flavor. So perhaps that's what that is. And I've never seen an American persimmon like that. But whatever it is, thank you, Anton. It's so, so good. I would recommend, get yourself a persimmon tree. That fruit is incredible. It easily beats a lot of my figs. It may even beat all of my figs. I don't know. This may be my favorite fruit. It's hard to say. I have to have them side by side, which I'm sure at some point I will. But astringent persimmons, man, whew, they are sweet and they are gooey and they are amazing. So grow them at home. You can grow them pretty much anywhere. They're so easy to grow. It's a joke. So thank you guys for watching this one. I'll catch you all for the next one, all right? Take care.